Bonjour and welcome in the garden of Beatrice, if we can call it like this. Probably it will be the saddest and cringiest thing you will watch today, so I think it's time to start. I'm gonna use this apron because it's the widest thing I found and I don't want to use my blanket. Today we're gonna change the pot of this basil that I bought in Monoprix like 1 week ago. And yesterday I bought this one in Leroy Merlin for €7.90. It's missing just one thing. So, I don't even know where to start, but I will start putting the soil. Not too much because it's easier than to put the basil. So I don't know what I'm doing. What I have to do now is open the basil. It should come out. Okay. Great. Now I have to open it. There are too many roots. I don't know. I'm just gonna break it. Wow. I have no idea, and I don't want to kill the plant, but I should separate them. I don't know how to do it. Maybe I can just leave it like this and plant it like this. No? No? Yeah, maybe. Because I don't think I can separate them. Looks fine. I just put the soil and cover it. At least the roots now are open and they don't have to grow all in that little pot. No. I put the apron so the soil don't go out and... Shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay. So right now it's like this. Better than the small one. Now I just put water and then I put it outside. Ready to put it outside. Okay. Ah, come on, doesn't look bad. Huh? So now I can compete with that one and this one, and that one too. up here there is, I think, a whole garden, so this was the video, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want, share the video, it's pretty important, and I wish you a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!